Holy cow, Morgan, what you got yourself into today?
I have no idea.
No idea? All right, well, you're in a harness and you got an altimeter here that Paul gave you. I think you might be skydiving.
I think so.
Oh, dear.
I think so.
What made you want to do this?
I don't want to do it.
So it's that guy.
It's his
It's
fault.
that guy over there.
It's
If
his
anything
fault.
goes wrong, we know who to blame,
Yeah,
right?
exactly.
Fair enough. Well, you met Paul already. He's going to be on your back. What do you think about him?
He's all right.
He's okay.
He's all right. I like him so far.
All right, he is a Bridgeport folk, so
I know,
I don't
I know.
know. I don't know if that does anything to you. Hey, buddy.
Hello.
All right, look at that. That's nice. That's nice. All right, our plane's in the air, dropping some other folks out. We'll see you on it.
All right. So
All right. Okay, Morgan, that red light is 2 minutes till 14,000 feet. You ready? It's way there by the door. We doing this, right? Ready. No backing out.
no backing out now.
Paul, how you feeling?
Not so hot.
Oh, no. You're gonna have to do all the work, babe. Good luck with that. Hey, happy birthday. Good luck, bro.
Thank you, bro.
Bye, Dean.
Morning and my heartbeat is out of control. 10 minutes into boarding, feels like I'm about to explode. Time for the ride up, tension started to swirl. I can't believe I'm gonna free fall from the top of the world. Senses peaked with a crazy anticipation. Feeling like this, tell me how the hell can I be patient? Jumpsuit rig, Google helmet all in place. Double checking just in case. I'm elated, baby, freedom one green light away, and I just can't wait.
Every time you wanna feel freedom in your life, just go skydiving, baby, go skydiving, yeah. Every time you wanna feel freedom in your life, just go skydiving, baby, go skydiving, yeah.
Spread my wings, time to fly. One step out, all it takes for me to touch the sky. So amazing, so liberating. 12,000 feet, AGL, so breathtaking. Belly down, box me now. 4 minutes of pleasure without any spark of distraction around. State of mind, euphoria, wish could last forever. From this day on, nothing can stop us from getting back together.
Every time you wanna feel freedom in your life, just go skydiving, baby, go skydiving, yeah. Every time you wanna feel freedom in your life, just go skydiving, baby, go skydiving, yeah. I love the sky, baby. 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 I love the sky, baby.
Big shout out to Drop Zone. Thanks for sharing.
Every time you wanna feel in your life, just go skydiving, baby, go skydiving, yeah. Every time you wanna feel in your life, just go skydiving, baby, go skydiving, yeah. Every time you wanna feel freedom in your life, just go skydiving, baby, go skydiving, yeah. Every time.
How about it? Was that awesome or what?
It was a lot for me.
Would you do it again?
I don't know.
Not today.
Not today. Not today.
Get over by Paul. Thank him for saving your life. Turn around. It's official. You, your hubby, you guys are crazy. Welcome to the sky. Chicagoland Skydiving Center. All right, oh, that's nice. Yeah, buddy. All right.